Welcome to Bangkok, guys. Just landed 2 hours ago. We're just checking to the hotel. We're staying on Sukhumvit Soi 11 as last time I stay also. Only for one night because tomorrow we're gonna move to the condominium for what I rent for 1 month. We're staying in the Solitaire Soi 11 in case if you're interested. Pretty nice. Cost me like 50 bucks and internet is very fast. So that's the most important thing. And now I've been recently here in October last year, but Winny never been here, so let's see.
Wow.
First expression, huh?
It's super vibrant. I think that this is what I feel like I'm back again to the Asian life.
Look at the cables, huh?
I already miss the cables hanging around like spaghetti, you know, just like, you know, my hometown in Bali. But this is what I feel like feeling back home. Look at those tuk-tuk. Wow, interesting. And what I can see that this, what is it, area Sukhumvit?
Sukhumvit 11.
Wow, it's really vibrant. I can see that the tourists from many different countries already here and so busy.
Let's go, let's explore more. Check this out. And also the cables. I used to stay in a loft last time. So many bars here with Western food. Heading now to the Nana BTS station, which is over there. Gonna organize the BTS card for Winny, and then we're gonna go somewhere for having a food. Meanwhile, this is the regular traffic in Sukhumvit Soi 11, middle of the week, and still is just 5 o'clock right now, just 5. But you can see already the tuk-tuks, the sellers, the bars, the loud motorbikes, loud tuk-tuks, and stuff like this one. So you can buy something interesting here. So many taxis and bars. Well, welcome to Bangkok, guys.
People already call about taxi. Go taxi. Wow,
Look
what
at-
I can say. This is the life probably that I already missed.
And look at how many colors and types of the taxis you have. Pink, yellow,
Wow.
red, green, blue, tuk-tuks. And wow, it's actually busy. I mean, maybe not busy because it's still early, but more restaurants and bars are open than I was last time. The last time was still many buildings closed here, but now definitely. But let's say we're gonna come back later when it's already night time. Gonna be probably very vibrant.
Like I told you, the spaghetti cables on the top, Asian vibe.
All right, and this is the Sukhumvit 11 main entrance to the Soi and main Sukhumvit 11 road. Going to behind to buy for Winny the BTS. This is the Nana BTS. So loud, it's 5 o'clock, so the rush hour starting. Yeah, cool, huh?
Super cool.
Next to 7-Eleven, obviously, next to 7-Eleven, and this is the big city life. Taxi, motorbikes, tuk-tuks, everybody. Okay, let's go. This is the Nana BTS. Winnie is buying brand new rabbit card, yeah, for BTS.
100 baht and then minimum top up for 100 baht.
Yeah.
So I paid 200 baht.
Cool, in Nana station like this one.
And
So
also
cool.
you have to bring your passport whenever you buy the new one.
Oh yes, very important. Without passport, no possible.
So the train is coming, so this is the card. The system is actually the same like in Malaysia or in Singapore. You just need to tap and then you can go.
Okay.
And this is our train.
Let's get inside. This is the BTS line and train, like this one, Nana station. And here we go. We arrived to Asok. Check this out, how the trains here are busy actually at the 5 o'clock Asok station.
So we just arrived in Terminal 21. We are so hungry and we decided to go to the food court, basically to eat. I know this food court, Damian told me that this is very cheap food court. So yeah, and look at the traffic behind.
Yeah, the traffic behind like this one. So much is going on in general, especially with the tuk-tuks. Yeah.
Wow.
By the way, look at the skyline today. Very beautiful weather here in Bangkok. And this is famous Terminal 21 mall. Each level in the mall represents different city. And we are heading to Pier 21 food court. As you can see, it's pretty tall main lobby with so many escalators going up and down. We are on the San Francisco level 5. There's so many restaurants here, and the food court is actually somewhere there, Terminal 21. This is inside the mall, of course, and Winnie is going to buy our prepaid cards to food court because they must be prepaid here. You cannot pay by cash. You have to top up the card first.
We got 2 cards and then I top up for 200 each.
Cool, and this is the food court. This is the area where people eating, And this is the food stations. Let's choose something nice to eat. And desserts options also. Okay, so we are in Terminal 21, Pier 21 food court. I ordered 2 dishes, which is like rice with chicken and basil and something like that with the wonton noodles. Wontons, this one and this one and this one. That's all 2 dishes. I mean, like literally 2 dishes cost me 60 bahts, which is $1.80 US. Very good value. This is in the mall, by the way. Sunny?
I cannot resist to eat this one, Thai papaya salad. So good. It's just like rujak. And this one, the rice with the pork. Either 30 and 40.
85 you said? Yeah,
85.
which is like 250 US, maybe something like that.
Yes.
So 4 dishes for less than $5. Yeah, that's it.
Nice.
It's like 70k in Bali in both. Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah. Enjoy. Smacznego.
Smacznego.
Mango sticky rice.
How much is it?
35 ringgits. How much is it? 35 Thai bahts. I don't know how much. Not so much. Very nice. Because my previous dish was spicy, so I couldn't really handle it spice, so I need something sweet. I should go with Hainanese chicken rice next time if so. But very nice anyways. Also gonna get myself hot cappuccino for 35 bahts from this small place. That's so nice. 35 bahts only. How cool is this? And they have a nice machine actually. And this is Winnie's favorite card. Happy New Year everybody, Chinese Lunar New Year. Gong si fa chao. So now we are in ICE buying the SIM card for Winnie. I bought in the airport and Winnie gonna buy here. Actually it's pretty the same price and the prices are like this one. We took this package for 250 plus 50 bahts top up. Later we're gonna buy the other packages. Nice shop. They speak English. Highly recommended.
So basically in Eco or here the price is pretty the same, and whenever you buy SIM card, prepare with your passport.
Bring your passport whenever you need to buy all the cards here in general, yeah?
Okay, so if you're curious about the speed of the internet,
Wow. Almost 400 megabytes
oh
per
my
second.
goodness.
So cool. 5G, they have it in Thailand already. And this is little bit of the Bangkok traffic, just in case if you are missing the big city traffics like this one. And Terminal 21 is at the front. This is the Asok. Going back to the So 11, the train is coming. And they also have a big lights and everything here. Big city life, but more vibrant. Definitely so vibrant here. Okay, let's go. And so busy actually, 7:35.
Alright, so we just had our dinner. Now it's time to have a, drinks later on at night at Sukhumvit 11. And let's see how it is hustle and bustle nightlife in Sukhumvit 11.
So this is the situation next to 7-Eleven. This is exactly where we started the junction. It's getting a little bit busy, I'm gonna tell you. The tuk-tuk drivers here waiting to give you a ride somewhere. And you can find so many happy pizza shops or any other cannabis things, because this is legal obviously. 99 baht burger, I hear this nice. I will try on different occasion. Pomegranate juice, this is what I really like actually. And some street food here. Some guy is cooking something just literally next to the corner. Check this out. So cool. Massage of course. And that's the boys who offer you taxi by motorbike as well. Heading to find some bar for the drink, but I'm gonna explore what's going on around. On the one side, on the other side of the city, on the street, something is going on.
Wow.
What do you think, Saya? Pretty vibrant, isn't it?
So vibrant, so lively, what I can say, the nightlife. Now it's just 9 p.m. and already, everywhere.
And this is just the weekday. Wait for the weekend. Ladies cooking something, chicken feet.
Oh wow, look at those street food, so nice.
Yeah, the street food everywhere you can find. People cooking something. Check this out, that's like some fruits in the ice, and then more fruits. And so many people are actually working already. Coconuts as well. Here we go, check this out. Coconuts. Look at this car, actually also cool. And of course cannabis shops. Yo, what's up, brother? How you doing? Have to
at
try, but not
this.
today. Maybe tomorrow, huh?
Tomorrow, yeah?
Ja- Many kinds, many kinds. Cookies, brownies, not only joints. All right. See you later.
Awesome.
See you later.
Tomorrow, brother.
Thank you. Yeah, take care. Also
Another
here
shop.
another one. Actually they are next to each other, and here is something as well. Check this out. And this one. Here you go, on every corner, like a stars with this one. Look at this kid also vibing here also. It's actually cool.
Look at that.
Look at
so
the bars.
lively, you know?
Yeah.
Wow.
Check this out. Also here another cannabis shop.
Medical cannabis, no PCR.
No PGR.
No PCR.
PGR, alright. And this bar looks actually so enthusiastic. Looks pretty busy, I'm gonna tell you guys. Check this out. Even I'm gonna zoom it a little bit for ya, so you can have a look what's going on. Not so bad. Action, 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 action is going, and some girls also here and stuff. Not so bad, really. Okay guys, also if you are talking about the weekends in Sukhumvit 11, starting from next or maybe next weekend, maybe not 100% in tomorrow, after tomorrow I can make it, but maybe next weekend, every Saturday, not sure the time yet, that's it to confirm, we're gonna do the live streams from the city center of Bangkok every single Saturday, or whenever we travel to Phuket or different islands as well. That's the thing number one, and also another thing number two, what is very important, the videos will be every single day as always, but at 4 p.m. Thailand time. So it's gonna be 1 hour later in Bali and in Australia, and or 1 hour earlier, no, also later in Europe. Actually 1 hour later, 4 p.m. local time in Thailand. So GMT +7, not +8. Okay, let's continue more. Let's have a beer somewhere.
Oh, look at this couple. Amazing Bangkok, but interesting.
Anyways, this is place to eat, also to chill. Looking for having some beer somewhere on the first day. I think it's a good idea. Also, well, it's nice here, but this is like a food most likely. Let's see what we can find over here.
So what I can see that, you know, this is the first time actually I'm coming to Bangkok, and wow, Bangkok nightlife is so lively. Look at behind me. What I can say, almost all those restaurants there in the front, full house.
This track over here is even cool. They have a full entire plants here. Yo, what's that? Have to try. Oh, have to try one day. And this is the old German bar restaurant here, and also here Muli. Seems like it's kind of busy inside. We are already in the middle of So 11, so it's time for having a beer somewhere. Which one, Sayang? Which one do you think?
Oh, I don't know.
Let's-
Which one do you think?
I don't know.
Both of them looks, you know, optimistic.
By the way, so many happy food trucks here. That's unbelievable how many happy food trucks are here. Yo, what's up? Peace, bro. They have a still Christmas tree, by the way. So, still Christmas, huh? Oh my God, so cool, huh? Check this out next to the Mercure here if you stay. So much is going on. This guy is making something. He's the the joint guy. And Hilary Tree also busy here.
Oh, look at your drink.
Look at that. I have a Leo. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna drink with the Thai style, which is with ice in general. You take I cannot take ice, but I will take ice. Leo, and they don't have a Radlers here. As you know, as I drink Radlers, so I'm gonna mix Leo with Sprite. You can find the way if you know how to do it, alright? And this is the one of the bar, and we have a view of the street and what's going on. It's currently 9:45, so hopefully we're gonna stay here for a while and there will be more and more people around. Let's see what we can find here, right? So I'm mixing my Leo with Sprite, and I'm gonna tell you actually, it's really good. I'm impressed. It's better than Radler actually, proper one. So cheers, guys. Also, if you ask about the prices, the bottle of beer here costs you about $4 US, and if it's happy hour, around $3 US. So that's the prices. But this is the So 11, the center of the tourism. You know, it's like, you know, center of center.
So what I can say, this is messy Bangkok, but super exciting and hot at night.
Sayang, what do you think?
Wow, I'm super amazed, you know.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So check this out. More girls coming here actually. Like this one. This is Bangkok babies.
It's not only young people, but look over there.
Yeah, also like this one actually, that's the good point, observation. You can find people from all around the world and all ages enjoying their time in Bangkok.
So when I'm sitting here, I can probably spot so many different countries, you know. Honey, there are so many beautiful ladies wearing, beautiful outfits.
Yeah, saya. So if you want to look the same, you have to wear the sexy outfit now. Tomorrow we go to the mall shopping, okay? High five, no worries. You have to fit to the crowd lah. Oh, check this out. Look like that. You see, very nice. But I have a question. I'm not sure if it's 100% a girl, you know.
What you mean?
You know, it's Thailand.
Oh, I see.
But it's
Bangkok.
normal thing.
So one thing that I see here, I know this is the first time coming to Bangkok, that people are, genuinely happy, enjoying nightlife. So it's really nice to see that, people that coming from all around the world, just like melting pot here, and yeah.
So
very
as the
nice.
first night in Bangkok, do you enjoy it, sir?
A lot.
So it's recommended not only for the
Oh
men
my
but also for
God.
the ladies as well, huh?
I recommend it to all of my family members to come to Bangkok.
Even
Because
they are
most of
foreigners?
Yes, because most of my family members, my brothers, my parents, they never been abroad. Look at this lady.
But do
So
you think your
pretty.
family will like it here?
I think so.
But the most important thing is you like it, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Ani, sayang, don't forget to take a tuk-tuk ride one night somewhere, yeah?
Look, like this one. This is like the too fast and furious of the, fancy tuk-tuk. I think that watching tuk-tuk drivers is more, I don't know what I can say, more interesting than watching the Lamborghini or Ferrari in the, Beverly Hills of somewhere.
That's for sure. Actually, tuk-tuks are cool. But wait for the ride of the tuk-tuks.
Oh,
Will be cool.
wow.
Not upcoming days. Don't worry, guys.
Alright, this is my first night in Bangkok. Wow, super cool. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. I think that we will do it. I don't know what to say.
Hey, you drunk already? See you tomorrow, guys. More videos from Bangkok and Thailand coming, upcoming days, weeks, and maybe months.